Welcome to The Promise of Stem Cells, Revolutionizing Disease Treatment. In the next 7 minutes, we will embark on a journey through the groundbreaking science of stem cells. These remarkable cells hold the potential to transform medicine as we know it, offering new hope for patients suffering from a wide range of diseases. From regenerating tissues to fighting cancer, stem cells are paving the way for a future where cures are within reach. Stem cells are the building blocks of life itself. They are unique cells capable of dividing and transforming into specialized types of cells such as muscle, blood, or brain cells. There are three primary types of stem cells: embryonic stem cells, which are derived from early-stage embryos; adult stem cells, which are found in fully developed tissues like bone marrow; and induced pluripotent stem cells, or iPSCs, which are adult cells reprogrammed to return to a stem cell state. The discovery of these cells has opened up remarkable possibilities for understanding, treating, and even curing diseases that have eluded modern medicine for centuries. As we observe these stem cells under a microscope, their incredible potential is revealed. In the right conditions, they can transform into heart cells, neurons, or even entire organ systems. Imagine a single cell multiplying and differentiating into the very components that make up the body, a process that could one day allow us to grow new tissues or even organs to replace damaged ones. The field of regenerative medicine is transforming healthcare as we know it. Stem cells are at the core of this revolution, offering the ability to repair or regenerate tissues that have been damaged by injury, disease, or aging. Scientists are harnessing this power to develop treatments for conditions that once seemed untreatable, such as severe burns, spinal cord injuries, and degenerative diseases. In the controlled environment of a laboratory, stem cells can be carefully grown and coaxed into forming specific types of tissue. Here, we witness cells in culture, multiplying and gradually differentiating into new tissues. This is where the magic of stem cells truly begins, creating the building blocks for regenerative treatments that could one day heal the human body from within. Stem cell therapy isn't just limited to regenerating tissues. It's already changing lives in the fight against blood disorders, especially leukemia. Hematopoietic stem cell transplantation, or HSCT, is one of the most established forms of stem cell treatment. By replacing a patient's diseased bone marrow with healthy stem cells, we can restore the body's ability to produce normal blood cells, offering a potential cure for conditions like leukemia, lymphoma, and other cancers. In this hospital setting, stem cells are carefully prepared for transplantation. The patient, often after undergoing chemotherapy to eliminate their diseased bone marrow, receives an infusion of healthy stem cells. These cells will migrate to the bone marrow and start producing the blood cells that the body needs to fight infections and recover from the disease. The transformative power of stem cells is already being realized in clinics around the world. Patients with heart disease, neurodegenerative disorders, and other chronic conditions are experiencing life-changing improvements thanks to regenerative medicine. These success stories offer a glimpse into what stem cells can do, restoring function, improving quality of life, and in some cases even reversing the damage caused by disease. Patients like these are living proof of the potential of stem cell therapies. A heart patient who once faced the possibility of lifelong disability can now walk again, thanks to regenerated heart tissue. A Parkinson's patient can now regain control over motor functions. These treatments are still in their early stages, but for those who have benefited, the results have been nothing short of remarkable. At the forefront of this scientific revolution are cutting-edge technologies that are enhancing the power of stem cells. CRISPR gene editing tools allow scientists to precisely alter the genetic code of stem cells, potentially curing genetic disorders at their source. In addition, advances in 3D bioprinting could one day allow us to print entire organs using stem cells, offering a solution to the critical shortage of donor organs for transplantation. Here we see scientists using CRISPR technology to edit the DNA of stem cells, a process that could one day allow us to correct genetic defects before they even manifest as disease. The precision of this technology is astounding, opening new doors for personalized treatments that are tailored to the individual patient's needs. Despite the promise of stem cells, their use is not without controversy. Ethical concerns, especially around the use of embryonic stem cells, have sparked intense debate. Supporters argue that these cells hold the key to curing devastating diseases, while opponents raise concerns about the moral implications of using human embryos for research. Additionally, issues surrounding the safety, regulation, and equitable access to stem cell therapies pose significant challenges for the field. As we explore the future of stem cell research, it's critical to engage in ethical discussions that balance scientific progress with moral responsibility. Ensuring that these therapies are both safe and accessible to all is a challenge that must be met head-on. As we look to the future, the possibilities for stem cell therapies seem endless. Advanced tissue engineering could one day allow us to repair entire organs, while personalized stem cell treatments could revolutionize the way we approach chronic diseases like diabetes, Alzheimer's, and heart disease. Every day, scientists are uncovering new applications for these remarkable cells, bringing us closer to a future where the impossible becomes possible. The promise of stem cells is clear: a future where diseases that were once incurable are treated with the patient's own cells, where organs are regenerated, and where the body heals itself from within. The road ahead is long, but with each new discovery, we are taking one step closer to transforming medicine and unlocking the full potential of the human body's natural healing abilities. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the fascinating world of stem cells. If you'd like to learn more or follow the latest advancements in this field, please like, subscribe, and comment. The future of medicine is bright, and stem cells are leading the way.